Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to back up and restore WhatsApp messages on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, make sure you are logged in into iCloud on your iPhone. Now open WhatsApp on your phone. Once you are in, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, tap on Chats, then chat backup. Here you will see your last backup date. Next, tap backup now. WhatsApp will start saving your messages, photos and videos to iCloud. Make sure you have enough iCloud storage, you are connected to Wi-Fi, and your iPhone battery is short. You can also turn on auto backup to backup daily, weekly or monthly. Now let's talk about restoring messages. This usually happens when you reinstall WhatsApp or move to a new iPhone. First, delete WhatsApp from your iPhone. Now reinstall it from the App Store. Open WhatsApp and verify your iPhone number. When prompt, tap Restore Chat History. WhatsApp will detect your iCloud backup and start restoring your message automatically. And that's it. Now you know how to back up and restore WhatsApp message on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.